I don't want to deal with lawyers. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, patent attorney and founder here at Bold Patent Law Firm. And you've probably said this or heard people say that lawyers just cost money, expensive, they end up spinning their wheels, and they're confusing. They just talk in circles. Well, not all of them, okay? And you should try to shift your perspective here, especially if you're an inventor. Patent attorneys are a little bit of a different breed. In other words, they, like a lot of good lawyers, the right lawyer will simplify matters and not complicate it. Not talking legalese or mumbo jumbo. They'll get right to the point and be efficient. So we as patent attorneys, as you may not know this, have at least a Bachelor of Science, a four-year degree. Most of our patent attorneys here at Bold have got a master's or a PhD in a technical subject matter. So we are often technical, very technical, and right alongside you as the inventor, speaking your language. So know that we're not here to make things complicated. We're here to help distill, simplify, and make your path through the patent process easy. So if you ever thought, I don't want to deal with lawyers, just know that when you deal with a patent attorney, it's almost like you're dealing with a friend, a colleague, a co-inventor. Now, let's take some real world situations, some examples from out there in the wild business world. Sarah Little Turnbull, packaging innovator. Sarah wasn't a lawyer or an engineer. She was a designer. She partnered early with patent counsel, who helped her protect her ergonomic packaging ideas. That guidance turned simple consumer insights into long-term licensing revenue without legal chaos. And that word partnership really matters, I think. It's not like you're just hiring a mercenary attorney, hiring someone to go perform one task for you. You're hiring an attorney, a counsel to be with you on your journey. That's what we do here at Bold. Number two, medical device startups. So founders who work with experienced patent attorneys often file fewer applications, but stronger ones. They save money by focusing on the right claims early instead of fixing mistakes later. Number three, independent inventors who license. Inventors who license successfully almost always credit early legal guidance, making sure they get the right protection, because in the end, a license is getting money from the assets that you own, the intellectual property assets, which include patents, trademarks, copyrights, and in some cases, trade secrets. Not because lawyers complicated things, but because they made the path clear enough for them to move forward. So here's your takeaway, is a bad lawyer creates friction. A good one creates clarity. Hopefully this message was clear for you today. If it was and you're interested in moving forward, please schedule a free discovery call at boldpatents.com. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a wonderful day today. Go big, go bold.